Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, so today in this video, I will discuss I will uh, give the answers. I will discuss the UPPCS prelims examination paper 2010 GS paper 1. Okay, so let us discuss the questions. What were the questions that has been asked in the examination in 2010? Okay, let us see the questions. Uh, I will thoroughly read the questions and give the answers. The three A's, the question number first is the three A system stone, bronze and iron from the collection of Copenhagen Museum was coined by, तो ये किसने coined किया था? थॉमसन ने coined किया था. Mention which of the following river in the Rig Veda suggests the Aryans' connections with the Afghanistan. Mention which of the following rivers in the Rig Veda suggests the Aryans' connection in the Aryan connections with the Afghanistan. So answer is Kubha and Kurumu. Question third is the city plan of ancient Sravasti is in the shape. So answer is concentric shape. Question number 4 is Yapania was a school of Buddhism, Shaivism, Jainism या Vaishnavism. तो answer is Jainism. Yapania was a school of Jainism. So let us see the question number 5. The entry of women as a bhikshuni into the Buddhist Sangha was allowed by Gautam Buddha at. Entry of women as a bhikshuni into the Buddhist Sangha was allowed by Gautam Buddha at Vaishali. Answer is Vaishali. Question 6. Buddha is depicted on the coin of. Answer is Kanishka. Panini and Patanjali are the renowned names in the literary history of ancient India. Under which dynasty did they flourish? I repeat the question. Panini and Patanjali are the renowned names in the literary history of ancient India. Under which dynasty did they flourish? So answer is Sunga dynasty. Now see the question number 8. The first Gupta ruler to assume the title of Param Bhagavata was. Who was the first Gupta ruler to assume the title of Param Bhagavata? So he was Chandragupta II. So answer is the Chandragupta II. Let us see the question number 9. The great Jain scholar Hemchandra adorned the court of. The great Jain scholar Hemchandra adorned the court of which king? Kumarpala. Answer is Kumarpala. Choose the correct pair. Which one is the correct pair? Ellora Caves, Saka, Mahabalipuram, Rashtrakutas, Meenakshi Mandir, Pallavas, Khajuraho, Chandela. So option number D is the correct pair. यानी कि Khajuraho, Chandelas. The Kirti Stambha at Chittor was built by. The Kirti Stambha at Chittor was built by. So who built Kirti Stambha at Chittor? Answer is Rana Kumbha. Who among the following rulers is famous as the Prithviraj Chauhan? Who among the following rulers is famous as the Prithviraj Chauhan? The answer is Prithviraj III. Let us see the question number next. Question number 13. Who had composed the Geet Govind? Who had composed the Geet Govind? The answer is Jaydev. Jaydev has composed the Geet Govind. Question number 14. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes. I can show you the correct answer. See here the answers. Alai Darwaja, which is in Delhi, it is related to Alauddin Khilji. Buland Darwaja, Fatehpur Sikri में है, it is related to Akbar. And Moti Masjid is in Agra and it is related to Shah Jahan. And Moti Mosque, which is also in Delhi, which is related to Aurangzeb. Okay. Let us see the question number 15. Which medieval king of India introduced the Ekta system? So, who introduced the Ekta system of the medieval India? So, answer is Iltutmish. Iltutmish introduced the Ekta system in the ancient in the medieval India. Okay. Which musical instrument was played by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? Which musical instrument was played by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? So the answer, what is the answer? So I show you the answer. Wait. Here the question is, which musical instrument was played by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? So Aurangzeb played Veena. Aurangzeb played Veena. So answer is she. Veena is the correct answer. Let us see the question number 17. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Which one of the pairs is not correctly matched? So let us see which one is not matched. So option number D, Jahangir. It is not related to Battle of Balkh. Okay. Babar is related to Battle of Hanwa, it is correct. Humayun is related to Battle of Chausa, it is also correct. Akbar is related to Battle of Haldi Ghati, but Jahangir is not related to the Battle of Balkh. Okay, so the option number D is incorrect. Option number D is the right answer for this question. Question number 18. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Which one of the following is correctly matched? So on option number D, Delhi. Delhi, tomb of Abdul Rahman Khan Khanum. Abdul Rahim Khan Khanum. So tomb of Abdul Rahim Khan Khanum is in Delhi. So it is correctly matched. Question number 19. Who among the following was not associated with the Home Rule movement? It is from the modern history. So this question is from the modern history. Who among the following was not associated with the Home Rule movement? So answer is C.R. Das. C.R. Das is not related to the Home Rule movement. Others, Annie Besant, yes, Subramaniam Iyer, B.J. Tilak, Balagangadhar Tilak. These persons are related to the Home Rule movement, but C.R. Das, yani Siraj Gopalachari Das was not related to the Home Rule movement. With which uprising is Mangal Pandey associated? With which uprising is Mangal Pandey associated? So Barakpur. Mangal Pandey is related to Barakpur uprising. Option number A is the right answer. Let us see the next question. Which one of the following had supported the non-cooperation movement but could not see its upshots? Which one of the following had supported the non-cooperation movement but could not see its upshots? So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one who supported the non-cooperation movement but could not see its upshots. Okay, option number A is the right answer. Let us see the question number 22. In which one of the following movement was the Aruna Asaf Ali associated? Question number 22, again I repeat, in which one of the following movements was Aruna Asaf Ali associated? So option number D is Quit India movement, यानी कि भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन से एसोसिएट थी कौन? अरुणा आसफ अली. Question number 23. The official historian of India's struggle for independence was. The official historian of India's struggle for independence was Tarachand. Okay, so Tarachand was the official historian of India's struggle for independence. Let us see the question number 24. Where was Mahatma Gandhi when a raid was made by Congress volunteers on the Sahara Salt Depot? Where was the Mahatma Gandhi when a raid was made by Congress volunteers on Darshana Salt Depot? So answer is Yerwada Jail. So Mahatma Gandhi was in Yerwada Jail when a raid was made by the Congress volunteers on Darshana Salt Depot. question. Let us see the next question. Match the peasant revolt of the 19th century with their respective areas. So you have to match. So exactly, I will show you the answer. Let us see. Kuki revolt. Kuki revolt is related to Manipur, Tripura, and Kuka revolt is related to Punjab. Pabna revolt is related to Bengal. Birsa Munda revolt is related to Bihar, at present Jharkhand. Okay. Again, I repeat. Kuki revolt is related to Manipur and Tripura. Kuka revolt is related to Punjab. Pabna revolt is related to Bengal. Birsa Munda revolt is related to the Bihar, and Birsa Munda is presently in Birsa Munda revolt is related to Bihar, but at the time it was related to Bihar, but now it is related to Jharkhand, because Jharkhand is a new state which has been formed from the Bihar. Let us see the question 26. Who out of the following had told destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign class? So who question number 26, who out of the following had told destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign class? So this statement was given by the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi said destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign class. 27. Match list 1 list 2 with a select and select the correct answer using the code given below in list. Okay, so match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answers using the codes given below these lists. Okay, so I will show you that answer. See, Jhansi is related to Rani Lakshmi Bai, Lucknow is related to Begum Hazrat Mahal, Kanpur is related to Azimullah Khan, Faizabad is related to Maulvi Ahmad Shah. Again, I repeat, Jhansi is related to Rani Lakshmi Bai, Lucknow is related to Begum Hazrat Mahal, Kanpur is related to Azimullah Khan, Faizabad is related to Maulvi Ahmad Shah. Question number 28. In which one of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? So, again, I repeat, in which of the following movement did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? So, answer is Ahmedabad strike. In which of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? So answer is Ahmedabad strike. It means in Ahmedabad strike, uh, uh, Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon. So let us see the next question. Which among the following organizations supported the Sudhi movement? Which among the following organizations supported the Sudhi movement? Which one of the following organizations support the Sudhi movement? So answer is Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj supported the Sudhi movement. Let us see the next question. Match the list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below this list. So again, I uh, show you the question. Again, I show you the answers and I will repeat the answers. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is related to Anand Math. Michael Madhusoodan Das is related to captive leading. Rabindranath Tagore related to Goa. Sarojini Naidu related to broken wing. Again, I repeat, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee related to Anand Math. Michael मधुसूदन दास कैप्टिव लेडी से संबंधित है. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर इज रिलेटेड टू गोरा. सॉरी, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर रिलेटेड टू गोरा. सरोजनी नायडू इज रिलेटेड टू द ब्रोकन wing. Let us see the question number 31. The institution of local self-government got a failing during the viceroyalty of. The institution of local self-government got a fillip during the viceroyalty of. Option number B, Lord Ripon. Okay, let's see the next question. Read the following events connected with the Indian national movements and find the correct chronological order of the events from the codes given below. Again, I repeat, read the following events connected with the Indian national movement and find the correct chronological order of the events from the codes given below. Okay, we have to arrange these in the chronological order. Okay, so I'll tell you. A Cripps mission headed by Sir Stanford Cripps was sent to India in March 1942 with the constitutional proposal to seek Indian support for the World War II. The Quit India movement was the last movement of the Indian National Congress under Mahatma Gandhi launched on August 8, 1942. The Wavell Plan was declared on June 14, 1945, and the cabinet mission arrived in India on March 24, 1946. So the what is the correct answer? Order. Cripps mission um, it comes in Cripps mission held in 1942. It was held in 1942, and we can say yes, and Quit India movement happens in the 8 August 1942. Okay, 1942, and Wavell Plan declared in June 14, 1945, and cabinet mission arrived in India March 24, 1946. So on the basis of this explanation, we can say that first is Cripps mission, and then after then it is Quit India movement, and then after Wavell offer, and then after cabinet mission plan. So answer number option number A 1342 is the correct answer. The Congress bygot the Simon Commission. The Congress bygot the Simon. Question number 33 assertion and reason types question है. The Congress bygot the Simon Commission. This is the assertion, and reason is the Simon Commission did not have a single Indian member. So what is the correct in this context of the above? Which one of the following is correct? Quotes is given. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of the A of A. Yes, very good. Yes, it is correct answer. Both assertion and reason both are correct. Both are true, and R is the. यानी कि the Simon Commission did not have any single Indian member. It is the correct explanation. Question number 34. Put the following events in the chronological order and choose your answer with the help of the given code. Okay, you have to choose your answer with the help of the given code. Formation of an Indian interim government, the arrival of the cabinet mission, Muslim League launches riot actions, and the days Jinnah breaking of the Simla conference. So you can see here the dates of these events. Jinnah breaking of the Simla conference, July 14, 1945. Arrival of the cabinet mission, March 24, 1946. Muslim League launches direct action, August 16, 1946. Formation of the interim government, August 24, 1946. So on the basis of this, option number B, यानी कि DBCA is the correct answer. Means first which one come? Jinnah breaking of the Simla agreement, then the arrival of the cabinet mission, and then after the Muslim League launches direct action, and in last formation of the interim government. Right? So let us see the next question. It is from the Indian Geography. If the sun rises at the TIRAP trap in Arunachal Pradesh at 5 a.m. IST, then what time IST the sun will rise in Kandla in Gujarat? So answer is about 7 a.m. Means there is a difference of 2 hours between eastern point of India and the western point of the India. So if the sun rises at 5 a.m. in the east, obviously the sun will rise in the west at 7 a.m. after 2 hours. 36. Question number 36. 90° E ridge lies in option. The correct answer is Indian Ocean. In 90° E ridge, 90° east ridge lies in Indian Ocean. Which one of the question number 37? Which one of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? Again, I repeat, which one of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? Answer is Narmada. Question number 38. In which one of the following state is Suil River project located? In which of the following states is Suil River project is located? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 39. Consider the following statement. Assertion. River Damodar was known as the river of sorrow in West Bengal prior to the development of the Damodar Valley Corporation. Reason are Damodar in its upper reaches flows rapidly, and in its lower reaches it runs too sluggishly. Okay. So what is the correct answer? What will be the correct answer of this? Answer is both the statement A and R are true, and I is the correct explanation of A. Let us see the question number 40. Which soil needs little irrigation as it retains soil moisture? Black soil. Which soil needs little irrigation as it retains soil moisture? So answer is black soil. Question number let us see the Let us see the question number 41. In an area with annual rainfall of more than 200 centimeters and sloping hills, which crops will be ideal for? The sloping hills, which crop will be ideal? The answer is tea. Okay. The Kalpsar project for supply of fresh water is located in. Again, I repeat, the Kalpsar project for supply of fresh water is located in Gujarat. Question number 43. Which layer of the atmosphere is responsible for the aurora borealis? Which layer of atmosphere is responsible for the aurora borealis? So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C, ionosphere. Ionosphere of atmosphere is responsible for the aurora aurora borealis. Let us see the question of 44. The Ruhr Basin is the famous industrial region of. The Ruhr Basin is the famous industrial region of which? Answer is Germany. The Ruhr Basin is the famous industrial region of Germany. Let us see the question for 45. Which one of the following countries are located on the equator? Which one of the following countries are located on the equator? So I show you the answer. Let us see. Equator passes through 13 countries. Equator passes through 13 countries. Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Principe, Gabon, Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia, Kiribati. Again, I repeat, the equator passes through the 13 countries: Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Principe, Gabon, Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia, and the Kiribati. Let us see the question number 46. Which one of the following island of the East Asia is divided into three countries? Which one of the following island of the East Asia is divided into three countries? So answer is option number A, Borneo. Borneo island of the East Asia is divided into three countries. Let us see the question of 47. Match list 1, list 2, and correct answer and set the current answer using the codes given below. So I show you the right answer, don't worry. So let us see the answer. Etna is related to Sicily. Etna is related to Sicily. Vesuvius is related to Italy. Erebus is related to Ross Island. Cotopaxi is related to Ecuador. Let us see the question 48. The Anglo-American culture realm does not include. Again, I repeat, the Anglo-American culture realm does not include. किसको include नहीं करता? सो आंसर नंबर डी, यानी कि 3 4 को इंक्लूड नहीं करता, दैट इज कनाडा एंड क्यूबा को इंक्लूड नहीं करता. द एंग्लो अमेरिकन कल्चर रियम डजन इंक्लूड कनाडा एंड क्यूबा. Let us see the next question. question 49, it is a current question, it was current question at that time, so I will not discuss that. Let us see the 50 question 50 is also not important because these are the old datas. Okay, ultimately I have discussed up to 50 questions. So thank you and have a nice day. Please do like and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.